One point during Friday's incident, the ships were less than 100 feet apart. It comes as the Navy continues to beef up its presence in areas where Russia is now trying to compete. A near collision at sea. This video released by the Navy shows just how close the USS Chancellorsville came to a collision with a Russian destroyer Friday. As the Chancellorsville was preparing to land a helicopter on the rear deck, the Russian destroyer starts closing in. Under the rules of the road at sea, the Chancellorsville had the right of way. Yet the Russian ship kept coming, within less than 100 feet at one point, forcing the Chancellorsville to throw its engines into reverse to avoid a collision. Acting Secretary of Defense Patrick Shanahan responding to the close call.
Beyond disappointing. You know, the unsafe, unprofessional acts certainly put our men and women at risk.
It comes as the U.S. Navy continues to see itself in great power competition at sea with Russia, something News 3 spoke about recently with newly established Second Fleet Commander Vice Admiral Woody Lewis.
Very specifically with the Russian competitors, they in the maritime, they're proficient undersea operators.
Video from the Chancellorsville shows it was apparent the Russians knew what was happening, as the crew on the Russian destroyer can be seen watching the gap narrow between the two ships. The Chancellorsville incident came just a day before a major exercise, Ball Tops, kicked off on Saturday. For the first time, it is being led by the Norfolk-based Second Fleet. News 3 will take you inside operations as the exercise progresses. Doug Grillo, News 3.